Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Now, we're here to get into some court updates. But before we do that, let's make sure that we have our copyright disclaimer under Section 107, just simply saying that, hey, I know how to read. I am not a paralegal. I am not an attorney, and I am not a judge. I am simply saying that, hey, I know how to read. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started into the actual update, okay? So as y'all can see here, this is Megan Pete versus Milagro Elizabeth Cooper. This is an order, all right? So let's go ahead and get started. This cause came before the court on defendant Milagro Elizabeth Cooper's motion for extension of time to file proposed jury instructions in verdict form. On April the 2nd, 2025, the court entered an amended scheduling order requiring the parties to submit joint proposed jury instructions in verdict form by September the 5th of 2025. On September the 5th, 2025, plaintiff Megan Pete unilaterally submitted her proposed jury instructions in proposed verdict form. Now, let's take a quick pause. What is unilateral? Unilateral means of an action or decision performed by or affecting only one person, group, or country involved in a particular situation without the agreement of another or the other party. So that's what unilateral means, okay? So again, let's repeat. Plaintiff Megan Pete unilaterally submitted her proposed jury instructions in proposed verdict form. Defendant now seeks to extend the deadline for proposed jury instructions in verdict form by an additional 7 days. Defendant motion is granted out of necessity. The amended scheduling order explains how the proposed jury instructions in verdict form should be submitted. Now, we do have some quotations here at the bottom of the screen. You can pause the screen and read it, or as always, the actual court document will be linked in the description box below. Also, as you're getting the actual court document, if you want to take a look at the jury instructions in the verdict form, here is a hyperlink to Florida's court.gov, and you can take a look at it there, okay? So it says plaintiff unilateral jury instructions in verdict form do not comply with the admitted scheduling order. See generally plaintiff's proposed jury instructions, plaintiff proposed verdict form. Accordingly, it is ordered and adjudged that defendant Milagro Elizabeth Cooper motion for extension of time to file proposed jury instructions in verdict form is granted. The parties have until September the 12th to submit joint proposed jury instructions in joint verdict form that fully complies with the amended scheduling order. Plaintiff's proposed jury instructions and proposed verdict form are stricken. Now, at this particular point in time, Milagro Elizabeth Cooper's attorney appeared to have been allegedly sick, and that's why they could not meet the actual deadline. And due to the fact that Megan's legal team submitted it, it was stricken due to the simple fact that they were supposed to jointly submit the jury instructions in the verdict form. So it will have to be redone. That way that Milagro's actual legal team can get their side in. That way that they can confer and agree and disagree on what needs to be put in there. But it is supposed to be done together. All right. Now, again, this will be in the description box below. What do you think? Leave your comments, like, share, subscribe. And until next time, talk to you soon.